Welcome to the Wong Reviewer. My name is Will, where I do tech unboxing, tech reviews, and tech tutorials. And in today's episode, we are going to review the Neewer 70-inch aluminum alloy jib. That is a mouthful. In today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing, a tutorial on how to set it up, as well as sample footage using different techniques with the jib. As you're watching, I hope you find the video helpful. If you do, please remember to give it a thumbs up, like the video, and consider subscribing to my channel for similar content. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so it came in the mail today. This is the Neewer 70 inches alloy aluminum jib. It's in a box. We're going to open it up and take a look. Oh, it's nice. It comes in a bag. It's actually quite heavy. It's a nylon bag. Let's open it up. There's Velcro strapped in there. So here's the jib itself. It's telescopic. I'm just going to close it. What else is in the bag here? There is another extension. And then I can feel the weights. So in this pocket here are the weights, the counterweights. So in the pockets here, these are the counterweights. There's two of them. And then there's a strap if you choose to use it, and the instructions on how to put it together. Just gonna wrap this. So this is, I think, not sure what this is, but we'll figure it out. And then the weights are all wrapped up here, so I'm just going to open it. One kilogram, 2.2 pounds. Alright, so here's the weights. I like the fact it's in a bag, it's easy for me to put away. Let's take a look at this. It's really light, aluminum. This is where you put a counterweight on. Take a closer look. On here, it's nice. I think it has a like a level, which is nice. extension, allows it to pivot. Locks into place. And I think this is how you mount it to the tripod. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to mount it to the tripod and set up and take a look at how it works. I'm going to speed up the steps for setting up this jib. I'm putting on the Neewer jib on the Manfrotto 290 Lite tripod. The tripod is big enough to support the weight of the jib and camera. I screwed it onto the top using a 3/8 mount. Here I'm testing out the telescopic capability as well as the flex of the tubing. I attached a handle that holds to the counterweight. Here is the camera mounting plate. I'm attaching it to my Fuji X-H1. Now I'm adding a 1 kilogram counterweight on the back, and there's 2 of them. It took a while for me to adjust the camera so it's always staying level to the ground. You kind of have to play with the head piece of it and turning and twisting the knobs to tighten it or loosen it depending on what kind of flex you want. Here is the sample shots I did with my kids using the jib. I did a simple lift up from the ground to give context. Yes, I know I need to fix my lawn and it looks horrible with the dead grass. It's spring, I'll get to it. Next, I do a lift and pan. Another shot is a high above and pan, which is something I can't do with a gimbal. Here is a top-down sample shot. A great feature of the jib is it has a 1/4-inch mount for accessories like a camera monitor. Here I have the Atomos Ninja 5 mounted to it. It's great so I can see my shot as it kind of moves through the footage that I'm taking, and it helps me frame the subject. Here you can see how easy the jib is to use, as my youngest is shooting B-roll for me for another video. You can see he's not struggling at all with maintaining control of the jib. Alright, so that concludes my video. I hope you found this video helpful. Would I recommend this jib? Yes, I would. Right now on Amazon Canada, it's selling for $109 Canadian, and for that price point, you get a pouch, it's lightweight, it's easy to carry, it's well constructed, and very easy to set up. I don't think you can go wrong with that price point. I'm hoping with some additional practice I can improve my B-roll game for the production of this YouTube channel. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it down below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and until next time.